Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Johnsonkeyz Music Academy, an online music school where we teach we train people of all skill levels from beginners ranging to advanced on how to become better in their daily music and on their instruments, right? Okay, so today we're gonna be looking at how to apply your tritone again in a 736 chord progression. So once your tritone is just if you, in every dominant 7 chord, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, which is your third, and then your flattened 7th. We have the third and the flattened 7th, that's your tritone. Alright, so if you don't know that, this is not a video for that, right? This is an application video, so you should ask for a video on that or so. Okay, so alright, so I want to teach you something like this. Okay, so we have for you. So I'm going to show you then. I'm going to teach it. So great, there is no one else like you. There is no one else like. Alright, so I'm going to show you that very fast now. But before then, I have this new piano course. You can see the syllabus already on the screen. Over 2 hours video where I taught a lot of stuff that will really help you, especially if you're in the beginner trying to get to the intermediate, or intermediate trying to get to the advanced level. I've been able to bridge that in an over 2 hours course, and that's the syllabus on the screen. And this has been selling for a discount price of 3,500 to people in Nigeria and $10 to people in abroad for the first 50 people. And trust me when I say we are in the grace period now, like, it's just because I'm a very nice person. So if you don't chat me now to get yours, check the comment section for details. If you don't chat me, I mean, the price is going to go up like very soon, very soon. So as you're watching this, just chat me to confirm if the price is still there, and if it's not there, be ready to pay the higher price, right? So because this has been on for a while now, but I noticed that there are some with the numbers I've gotten, I know there are still a lot of people on this channel that have not watched that, that have not seen that. So you should chat me up. In short, people who need tritone and everything, you need to just get that course, right? God bless you. Okay, so so let's look at what we have today. So for you great. So most times for our 736, you do miracle so great. There is no one else like you. So that's 736 514. All right. So that's like the root. So if you have a basis, that's what the basis plays. Right, that's what the basis. So you as a pianist, you build harmonies. It's called chords. You build harmonies on that. So for you are great. So we'll play something like you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Right? Okay, so right. So but today we're gonna be doing some tritone on that. So we're gonna have something like this. For you are great. You do your one chord, basic one. Then you do miracle. Then we're gonna start. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna come from F sharp major chord second inversion, which is a C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. You're gonna come just like that down semitone to F major also chord. All right. While holding this tritone on the left hand, which is we'll call this a C sharp and G tritone. So you're gonna do something like that. Then I'm hitting the C then. So I'm resolving to this chord F sharp major 7, right, with the C major chord on the right hand. So you can watch that again. All right. So the next move is so the next move is you're going from D major chord second inversion. This is D major first inversion. This is the second inversion. You're going from the D major second inversion. You're going to E flat major, right? 5 1 3. key of E flat, then of course you hit the B flat also on the top. So, right, while holding the B and F tritone. So something like this. Then you will resolve into this chord. So what chord are we resolving to here? We are resolving to E flat major 7, second inversion. E flat major 7, second inversion on the left hand, and on the right hand we have a B flat chord. Then to your 4. So you should get my piano course to learn more about all this stuff. So it goes like this: for you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more. God bless you. Bye.